Guys, if you want to see how I got a generator for 225 bucks and a warranty, stay tuned. Take a look at this video. It'll give you an insight of how I get a lot of things. Alright, check this out. I just got this at the pawn shop. 245 bucks. Right? A little Yamaha. Looks kind of nasty, but guess what? Degreaser that. We're going to degreaser it. And this is always a good little thing to have. I like to keep them around for lobster season because I use a bully net. So let me not wet none of the other stuff, but around it. Look, some guy knew that I was going to go ahead and get it because I'm a fisherman. How nice of him. I try not to wet the electrical parts just in case, you know. I don't know much about these, but I know that a magic eraser for the win, baby. It's gonna do the same thing we do with everything. Oh voila! It takes it right off, dude. It's gonna look brand new. Actually, you know what? I'm not even gonna keep this. I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna make some money. I just got it for 200 bucks, 245. Flip it for 400. Quick, easy. And I'll just find another one, bro. I don't fall in love with things. I don't fall in love with things. You know why? Because then you can have better things. Oh, it's gonna be easy, flip. Easy. Alright guys, so there you go. Look, check it out. It works good, right? Nice. Shut it off. Okay, but I want to show you guys something so you can check it out. Alright, so you see all these scratches and stuff? Check this out. Look at that. Look at this. Watch. Now, you got to be extremely careful here because there is fuel here. You know what I'm saying? Normally I do this with a little, see how it gets it? See that? Look at that. Makes it look brand new, right? See that? Watch this, guys. Watch this. Shh, don't tell the people at the pawn shop this. My God, let me tell you something. This is crazy. Now, if this thing doesn't blow up in my face, it's gonna look really awesome. So be careful if you're doing this. I normally use a heat gun when I do this, but I don't have mine working right now. So this is. Look at this. It's almost like a chain. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It's coming out. See that? Oh, I went a little bit too much on that one right there. But look, there you have it, people. Look at that. That's just gonna come out crazy. Watch. See this? Look at this. All this area right here, right? Oh my God! I gotta be careful though, because that is kind of close to the. All right, so guys, that's how you kind of restore plastic. Oh, look back here. It's gonna look really good. Watch this. You guys see that? Do not, whatever you do, do not tell the people at the pawn shop this. I'm gonna take it right back and I'll pawn it for about $6,000. Alright guys, listen, I gotta go. This is my Saturday. I'll be on vacation soon. If you guys want to see some of my vacation, put a comment down below because you might not see me for a minute. I will be on vacation. If you want, I can put some videos up, but I don't know, some people might not want to see my vacation. This is about boats and stuff. Alright, so look at this side. This side's even worse. Look at this here. See that? All that there. Look at this. Watch this. It's pretty crazy, huh? Check it out. Before we go, this is a quick video. Look, a little spray thing. I don't even know what this is, to be honest with you. But it's like a little gloss thing. So we'll put the gloss thing on it. We'll do that noise when we're doing it. If you don't do that noise, it's not gonna work, guys. Trust me. Watch this. Hey guys. Guys, check it out. Look at this. Look at this, then you wipe her in. Hey. Brand new, out the box, baby. Guys, gotta go. Brand new, out the box, baby. Out the box. Shh, shh, cállate. No diga nada. Shh, let it go, let it go. Hey, we're over 1,000 subscribers deep, people. Oh my God, this thing is getting for real now.